Hey guys, Dana here from Dana Talks Health. Today we're going to talk about how to build collagen under the eyes. I'm going to share with you the top 4 ways for you to rebuild collagen in your skin. These ways are backed by science, research, years, decades of studies. These are the methods recommended by professional dermatologists. Okay, and these methods do not include fillers, Botox, any kind of surgeries, any type of like very extreme measures or methods. These are things that you can do at home, in your home, for relatively cheap. So if you're dealing with the breakdown of collagen under your eyes, you have crow's feet, you have bags or just very deep wrinkles, fine lines, whatever, you can definitely reverse a lot of these issues, rebuild and restore the collagen in your under eyes at home. So the first and number one way to start rebuilding collagen in your face is to use Retin A. Okay, Retin A is the holy grail of dermatology. If you ask a dermatologist, how am I going to rebuild collagen, restore the youthful look of my skin without getting a facelift, without Botox or fillers, the dermatologist will say Retin A, because it's backed by decades and decades of experience that show that Retin A not only rebuilds collagen in your skin, but it also prevents the further breakdown of collagen. It's working for your face in 2 ways. This is like a miracle cream. It's been shown time and time and time again of before and after trials of how it has improved the overall youthful appearance and look of fine lines, wrinkles, even the coloration of your skin. It gives your skin a glow. It improves the texture of your skin. It's like a little magic potion for youth. And unfortunately, you cannot buy this over the counter if you live in Canada or the US. It is a prescription product, so you'll have to go to your doctor and request Retin A. Because I'm fairly young, I just said that I was dealing with acne and I wanted to try Retin A. Really, I'm using it to help age and for anti-aging purposes because I am approaching 30. The next way to rebuild collagen under your eyes, this is more of a preventative measure. You need to invest in sunscreen, okay? The sun has been shown to break down, literally damage the collagen in your face. That's the whole reason why the collagen is broken down in your face. It's because a large part of it, okay, is because of the sun. So every day, especially when you're using Retin A, because it's going to make your skin more sensitive, you need to use sunscreen, and it's recommended that you reapply it on I think every couple hours. But even if you can just get it on in the morning, at least you are protecting your face. You need to find a sunscreen that you can work with, that you like, that you can wear every day consistently, because the important part is that you're going to be consistent about it, about wearing it and protecting your face from getting further damaged by the UV rays, damaging not only the collagen in your skin, but your DNA in your skin as well. You want to prevent skin cancer and, other skin conditions. You want to prevent dark spots. Literally avoid sun damage on your face, because the skin on your face is thinner and more prone to the damage. You can use a mineral sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen that I like to use every day. Sensitive skin. I put it on my face. I put a little bit of a loose translucent powder on. I have it on now. I have this mineral sunscreen on. I have a whole tutorial about how you can wear makeup over mineral sunscreen and not look like you're gonna die or something. Okay, it is possible to wear a mineral sunscreen. The thing I like about the mineral sunscreen is that once you put it on, you are immediately good to go out into the sun. If you just cannot stand the white cast, then you're gonna like a chemical sunscreen. Something like this. This is my favorite chemical sunscreen. Whatever brand you want, okay? Just find a brand that you like. Chemical sunscreens go on clear and sheer, so you can I like to reapply this throughout the day so that I don't have to constantly be putting makeup on. It's a little bit easier to work with, okay, if you really are not a fan of the white cast. But the downside to this is that once you put this on, you have to wait a full 20 minutes in order for the sunscreen to create a physical shield that will protect your skin. Please, if you're trying to restore the collagen in your skin, prevent further damage from occurring by investing in sunscreens and using them faithfully every day. The next way is to use a Derma Roller. These are used in beauty clinics and in cosmetic surgery clinics in order to rebuild collagen, okay? So if you're not familiar with what a Derma Roller is, it is basically a roller with, can you see that? With tiny needles that prick your skin. And so you're creating little mini wounds in your skin. And because you're making these wounds in your skin, your body goes kind of mental. Your body's like, oh my God, we have an emergency going on in the face. And they send all these hormones and growth factors up to your face, and they create stronger collagen. It really amps up the collagen production in your skin to try and strengthen the skin so that it prevents a wound like that from happening again. Okay, so it like really reinforces it. And so there have been studies where people who used a Derma Roller only 3 times boosted their collagen production by up to 400%. So there is evidence that this technique works to boost collagen in your face. And this Derma Roller actually made my lips bigger by increasing the amount of collagen under the skin in my lips. So if you're interested in that, check out this video about how this Derma Roller literally made my lips look bigger, which is pretty cool. I only use this quarterly. I'll use it 4 times a year because you want to give your body time to make the collagen. You want to give your body a chance to heal those wounds fully and lay down the layers of collagen, and it does take time for this. So I personally just use it 4 times a year quarterly on my lips and my whole face in order to, continue keeping the collagen production up in my body. And the last way, and this is extremely important, very, very important, and it's kind of like a foundation for all of these ways that you're going to use at home, is that you need to get proper sleep. Sleep is so vital. It's called beauty sleep for a reason. Your body can only produce collagen when you are in the deepest stages of sleep, REM sleep. That is the only time that your body produces collagen. So you need to get into those deep stages of sleep, have the proper sleep cycles in order to allow your body to actually go ahead and rebuild this collagen. So if you are sleep deprived and you're not making sleep a priority, you need to change that as part of your anti-aging regime. You need to make sleep a priority and realize that when you sleep, this is when your body is doing the work of repairing the collagen breakdown under your eyes. Okay, so sleep's so important. Go to bed early. Do whatever you have to do in order to properly have a good night's sleep. I will link these sunscreens and this brand of Derma Roller below in my description if you're interested in what I use. If you enjoy anti-aging content like this, please subscribe. A lot of my channel is focused on that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!